Students, today I am going to discuss solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Lemonade, sugar water solution, salt water solution, soda water are the examples of solution. What is lemonade? Lemonade is a homogeneous mixture of salt, sugar, water and lemon juice. Components of solution. There are two components of solution, solute and solvent. What is solute? The component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent is called solute. For example, in sugar water solution, sugar is dissolved in water. Therefore, sugar is the solute. Solvent. The component of the solution that dissolves the other component in it is called solvent. For example, in salt water solution, water dissolves the salt. Therefore, water is considered here as a solvent. Now, properties of solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture. Particles of solution are smaller than 1 nanometer in diameter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to power minus 9 meter. They can't be seen by naked eye. The solute particles do not settle down when left undisturbed. Solution is a stable. Solution is a stable because solute particles do not settle down when left undisturbed. Suppose you have prepared a sugar water solution and left the solution for some time. The sugar does not settle down at the bottom of container. So, sugar water solution is a stable solution. Solution does not scatter a beam of light because particles of solution are very small. Now, concentration. Concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution. What is concentration of a solution? The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution. There are various ways to express the concentration of solution. Mass by mass percent. What is mass by mass percent of a solution? Mass by mass percent of a solution is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Mass by mass percent equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Next, mass by volume percent. Next, mass by volume percent is equal to mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. Next, volume by volume percentage. Next, volume by volume percentage. Third, volume by volume percent. Volume of solution, volume of solute, volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. By using this formula, we can find the percentage, we can find the concentration of a solution. By using these formulae, we can find the concentration of a solution in terms of mass by mass percent, mass by volume percent, volume by volume percent. Thank you.